Okay, this is 1530 Spruce Street. Large apartment building in the Rittenhouse Square neighborhood, bordering Rittenhouse Square Graduate Hospital. Tons of bars and restaurants nearby. It sits on beautiful Spruce Street. The building's called the Newport. Okay, it's really pretty. Well maintained, updated building. Nice land, like flower pots. It's a really pretty building. This is the main entrance. Keypad entry. There's a small gym in the building. It's an elevator building as well. Goes all the way to the end there. And all the way up. There's a second entrance. Or exit. Around the corner. So again, keypad entry. Can be dropped off inside the locked door, which is a huge benefit today. Okay, this is the common area. Really nicely maintained, great security. Okay, that's that other entrance I was showing you before. Here's the elevator, stairwell. Okay, I'm gonna go down. I'm gonna be waiting a second. I'm gonna go down to see some of the other common spaces. There's your mail area. Okay. Another one of your exits. The elevator. That's how you would get up to the unit. Again, really nicely maintained. Well secured property. If you don't have stackable washer dryer in the unit, which many of them do, these are some common area units if needed. Here's the fitness center. So everything will go on. Nice machines. That's the game. Standard bench. Weights. Cardio equipment. That's the common space. Now, as we head back up, we would then be going up to the unit. That's what will connect to this video to show you the main space. Hope you like it.
Hello everyone. I just came out of this elevator on a 6th floor. I'm about to show you a 2-bed and 2-bath unit in the Newport building. As you walk out of the elevator, on your right you have the steps that takes you downstairs, and also here you have the fire stairs in case of emergency. There are 5 units on this floor. The unit I'm about to show you is 624. I get in. As I walk in, you see this beautiful hardwood floor, a very high ceiling, tons of natural light. You have 4 windows actually for the natural light, and huge living space. The current tenant have a dining table here. He's in this area as a dining area, and this window will just take you to the city. Have a beautiful view of the city. You could see 3 directions. You get a lot of natural light here. This is your view from this side, and also this unit has a small balcony unit will be shared with your next door neighbor. Nice outside space. You see down is 16th Street. This is the space. Then the next space I would like to show you is the kitchen. Before we go into the kitchen, you have this pantry, nice size pantry. Then the kitchen. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances, a fridge, a dishwasher, built-in microwave, a gas oven and cooktop. You have a washing machine, stacked up washing machine. You have also a lot of cabinet space, a lot of storage. You have upgraded countertop and a huge window for a natural light. You have the same view as the living room from here. This is the sink. You have deep sink, and also you have a garbage disposal. This is what the kitchen looks like. Nice and modern kitchen. Then go to the next toward the bedrooms. You have this beautiful hardwood floor throughout. On the hallway on my left, you have this closet space. And the first bedroom you have is here. I'm gonna start from the last bedroom here, which is the smallest one. And this bedroom has a nice size and 3 windows for a natural light. You got amazing view from this bedroom as well. Here you have a closet space. Also on the top. This is what this bedroom looks like. Next to this bedroom, you have a full bath. Bath has tile floor, nice sink, medicine cabinet, toilet, and beautiful shower, bathtub and shower combo. Nice size bathroom. Next to this, you also have a bigger bathroom. Same nice tile. Toilet. A bathtub and shower combo. You also have medicine cabinet here. The next one is the bedroom, the master bedroom. Save the best one for the last. So, all right, this is the last bedroom, the master bedroom I would like to show you. It's big in space. Nice size bedroom. Ceiling fan. Just next to the door, you have this huge closet space. And also, you have this window to look outside. You have a beautiful view from your bedroom as well. This is the bedroom, the master bedroom. I just showed you 624. Unit 624 of the Newport building. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching.